So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit your profile on Threads. So once you have Threads open up on your device, make sure to go to your profile page. So I'm actually on that right now, but let's just say you're on the search bar, for example. Go to the bottom right and press on your profile. Then once you're on your own page, right below it says, for me, Cool Purple Media, right below it says 0 followers, and right above where it says Threads, it says edit profile. I press on edit profile right here. Now on this screen, you can go ahead and edit your name. You can edit your bio, edit your link. So if I wanted to add a bio and just type in whatever, hi, I can press hi, press done. If that's done, you can edit your link. You can make the profile private or not private. Once that is done, simply just press on done and there you go. That is how you guys can edit your profile on Threads. I hope this video helped.